Yeah, what's up, guys, and welcome once again to Forex Success. Guys, this is crash and boom strategy. How to catch spike on crash and boom. So, guys, like I told you, I'm going to show you how to set the indicators, but let me just show you the conditions, guys. You see this red moving average. Once it crosses this green line, guys, you're expecting a spike. Once it crosses the green line, you're expecting a spike for boom 1000. Yes, guys, we're expecting a spike as soon as possible. So, guys, for us to test the strategy, okay. So, guys, we're expecting a spike, but let me let you know now that the spike might not be that much big, but we'll get a spike. It might not be a huge one, but we'll get a spike. The reason why I say it might not be a huge one is because for the 5-minute time frame, it crosses above, which is indicating a downtrend. Like you can see, it crossed above. It's trying to come down for the 5-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame, same thing. 30 minutes, it's about to cross above also to come down. So, guys, that's why we get a spike. It might be a baby spike, but the fact that we got this, we're expecting a spike. So, guys, I'm going to place a buy. Yeah, I've placed a buy and we'll get a spike. Watch it, guys, watch it. So we're expecting a spike for boom 1000. So, guys, let me show you how to set these indicators. Powerful strategy. You click on your indicator tab. The first indicator is the average directional movement. So the average directional movement, the period 14 star 2 pixel. Use the color of your screen. The positive DI, it's 2 pixel. You can use green. Then the negative DI 2 pixel. You can use the color of your screen. You click done. Then the next indicator is the commodity China index, which you use period 14, apply to typical price. The star is 2 pixel. You can use this color also. Then the levels are negative 100 and positive 100. You click done. I hope you can set these indicators, guys. Then the next indicator is the moving average, the period 10, shift 0, method simple, apply to close. The star 4 pixel, you can use color red. Then you click done. Then the last indicator is the market facilitation index, which you use volume tick, line width 4 pixel, the MFI up green, MFI down black, the MFI up black, just as you can see on my screen. Then, guys, you click done. You're good to go. So this strategy works. Like, it works. I told you guys, in order to confirm your signals, make sure to check for 1 minute and the 5 minutes. So as you can see, for the 1 minute, it's giving us a reason to buy, which is telling us that it's going to spike. But the 5 minute is showing us that it's a downtrend. I'm emphasizing on this strategy, guys, so you understand every aspect of it. Okay, guys, I told you we are going to get a spike. I know the 5 minutes is indicating down, so normally I'm not supposed to enter this trade, but I'm entering in order to catch that little spike, So, guys, checking for 1 minute so you can see how the strategy works. I told you the zoom level is the third zoom level. Yes, guys, you can use the third zoom level. You can also use the fourth zoom level, just as I'm using now. Okay, so, guys, this is how the strategy works for boom 1000. You look out for the red moving average reaching the oversold level, and then it spikes. The moment the red moving average crosses below this green line, guys, you are expecting a spike. Yeah, that's how the strategy works. It crosses below this green line, it spikes. Boom 1000. It works for boom 1000, crash 1000, boom 500, and crash 500. Guys, the strategy is powerful. Look, it crosses below, then it spikes. You can see, of course, it spikes. It crosses below, then it spikes. You get a black candle, you expect another spike, it spikes. Guys, you can see the strategy is powerful. It crosses below, at the oversold level, it spikes. You can see that, guys. You can see that. I'm going to be giving you strategy that will help you make money. It crosses below, then it spikes. You can see, guys, crosses below, it spikes. Powerful strategy. It works multiple times. Crosses below, it spikes. Yeah, continuously, guys, continuously. It crosses below, it spikes. It makes good profits. Catch spike like a professional. So, guys, this is how this strategy works. I told you, guys, because so you can see, guys, we're waiting for boom 500, boom 1000 to spike. Yeah, we're waiting for the spike. So while we're waiting, let's check out on crash 500. Crash 500, guys. You see it cross above, it spikes. Yeah, because it's above, it spike. So for crash 500 is vice versa. Now for crash 500, we are looking at the overbought level, the red moving average crossing the green line at the overbought level for it to spike. Cross above, it spikes, get a black bar. Once you get this black bar, you expect another spike. Cross the black bar, another spike. Guys, you can see this. Cross the black bar, another spike. Cross above, you get a spike. You get this black bar after the spike, expect another spike. So that's it, guys. Continuously, it's a very powerful strategy, guys. People are using this to make money. I'm telling you, guys, a lot of traders won't share this with you. It crosses above, it spikes. You can see spikes continuously. This is how we make money, guys. You can make money massively. Don't enter except it crosses at the overbought level. Guys, crash and boom is 24 hours. You can catch as many spike as you wish. Guys, you can catch as many spike as you wish. It crosses above, it spikes. Very simple strategy. We are still waiting for boom 1000 to spike. So while we wait, let's check out on crash 1000. Okay, crash 1000 is giving us is about to spike also. Can you see? But for the 5 minutes, guys, this is the reason why I say you should always check the 5 minutes. Look, when it crosses below, for the 5 minutes, crosses below, indicating a buy trend. You get, guys, indicating a buy trend. Check out 15 minutes. Let's see 15 minutes. Same thing, indicating a buy. Guys, this candle is going to buy. This is what you should watch out for. So you won't say it crosses below but it didn't spike. Confirm from the 5 and 15 minute time frame, so you won't have to wait for it to spike. You understand, guys? Look, it crossed below, it's buying for 5 minutes, but 1 minute crosses above, indicating a spike. But the fact that 5 minutes and 15 minutes are not in agreement with what the 1 minute is telling us, guys, please don't enter so you won't have to lose money. Guys, look, you can see, I told you guys, we're expecting a spike for boom 1000, and you see, guys, this strategy is the best strategy you can find for crash and boom. Look, we got the spike. I told you the moment it crosses below, it got a spike. Look, just after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it got a spike. You can see, guys, this is how we trade and make money. So I'm taking my profit for boom. Yeah, I've taken profit for boom 1000. So simple, guys, very simple. You can catch as many spike as you wish in a day. Guys, I make $200 daily from crash and boom only. From crash and boom only. Trading crash and boom, I make $200 daily. So guys, as I was saying, for crash 500, you can see it crossed above and we're expecting a sell. But the fact that this 5 minutes is indicating a buy, a heavy uptrend, it's advisable not to enter, but it might also spike. Even if it spike, it's not going to be a massive one. It'll be a baby spike. It'll be a baby spike, not a massive spike, because the 5 minute is indicating an uptrend. So even if it's going to spike, it's going to just be a little pullback, maybe up to this resistant level. So I'm not going to enter that trade. So guys, I just want to look for another example for you. Maybe boom 500, boom 500, 1 minute time frame. You can see it's also work on boom 500. It crosses below, spikes. You get a black bar, another spike, black bar, another spike, black bar, another spike. So guys, you should know that this black bar indicating another spike is more effective on the 500s, on boom 500 and crash 500. Yeah, that's it, guys, that's it. So it crosses below, another spike, crosses below, another spike, crosses below, another spike. Guys, I don't know why people still lost money trading. This is the best strategy you can use, the best strategy so far to catch spike. Look, spike, black candle, another spike. You can see it crosses below, another spike. Guys, massive, massive. I'm telling you, it crosses below. The moment the condition is met, it spikes. The moment the condition is met, it spikes continuously. Guys, you make money for yourself. Look, you don't have to lose money. You don't have to feed your broker when you have such a simple strategy to make money. You just catch your spike. You could catch your spike and you're good to go. Catch your spike. If you can catch up to 10 spike a day, don't you know how much you've made? And another reason for some of you why you lose your money using this strategy is because of fear. Fear, guys. You're just so scared. The moment you're seeing your trade is losing, is on loss of $5, you are scared and you quickly look at the trade. And immediately after you look at, you receive the spike. Patience is needed in trading. Patience is needed in trading. You can see that of boom 1000 that I trade. Boom 1000, look, that of boom 1000, it was on loss of about $4.5, but because I know it was going to spike, I was very sure and I knew it's going to spike, I waited and it spiked. Why do you think? How did I know it's going to spike? Practice, experience. I've been doing this, guys. I've been doing this trading crash and boom, step index, volatility indices, guys. So I've gained that experience in it, and when I see stuff like this, I know it's going to happen. So that's why I always tell you guys, keep on practicing. I'm using my time to give you videos to make you successful, I'm using my time, guys, to give you videos to help you also to make to make money for yourself, because a lot of people are losing to brokers, and I was among them. I was losing until I decided to seek for knowledge for myself. So guys, learn this strategy and make good profit for yourself. Yeah, learn it and make profit for yourself, guys. It's very, very powerful. A very powerful strategy. You can see how it works. Like, I don't, if it doesn't work, then it wouldn't have worked for me. It works. It works. It works very well. So when you see this kind of market, this is 1 minute. Guys, the moment you see this kind of confirmation, like the red moving average crossing above, guys, please don't enter. Don't enter. There is a reason for that. Why did I say you shouldn't enter? Okay, it might spike, but it is not confirmed. Yeah, it might spike. The reason why I say you shouldn't enter this kind, look, for the 5 minute time frame, it's going up. It was coming down, but it crossed below and it's going up. So likely in this kind of pattern, you are just expected to avoid the market. Just avoid it. Avoid it so you won't lose your money. Yeah, because for the 15-minute time frame, this market is expected to reach at this point before it might get a spike. Yeah, expected to reach at that point before it might get a spike. So you just avoid it. Go for only short trades. Short trades, guys. Short trades. So cut spike for boom 1000 and we are out. So this is how you make money. Imagine you cut spikes 20,000 20 times a day using good lot size. Guys, a single spike can give you $25. A single spike can give you $50, depending on the lot size you are willing to use. You can spike 4 times a day and you get $200 and you're done for the day. Yeah, you're done for the day. Very simple, guys. Very simple. So thanks, guys, for watching this video. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on the notification so you'll be notified on new videos, guys. I'm going to be dropping videos for you. I really want you guys to be perfect on trading, crash and boom, step index and volatility. I really want you guys to make money. Yeah, I really want you to make money, guys. So thanks once again for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and enjoy.